Wanna know how to configure your window in NetBeans? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, once you've opened your NetBeans application after installing, it should welcome you just like this. So there should be nothing right here. Now, if you want to customize your window, just simply select window right here. It's super simple and easy. Just simply select window, and here you can see configure window. Just simply select it. Now you can maximize float group, minimize and minimize group. That's it. Super simple and easy. Now you can edit it as you want and then just keep the window as it is. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.